In this tutorial, I'll show you how to multiply a group of meshes while maintaining distance from one another. I'll also show you how to add a group of meshes kept in a collection to the geometry nodes. Let's create 3 different types of meshes, and place them away from one another. Select All, and type M to create a new collection. We'll need a source mesh that will contain the geometry nodes. Here are the full nodes. We need to use a node called collection info in order to add a group of meshes kept in a collection to the geometry nodes. In order to multiply them, go to Edit mode, and type S to scale. As we can see, some meshes are overlapping while multiplying. That's because the plane mesh is smaller than the collection. To prevent any overlapping issues, please scale the plane mesh while in object mode, not edit mode. Also, to add materials, please don't add them to the multiplied meshes. We must manually add them individually like this. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.